Hi guys, welcome back to Deadlands, and today we're gonna play Withstand. And yeah, this is gonna be the first part of the series. Yes, you heard me. I'm gonna start the series. And yeah, I changed my guy from being a police to salary guy, a hammerman, and it's cool. So I learned that a melee guy is much better than a gun guy, except if it's not except if it's a hunting shotgun. Oh my god. Um uh Media, go down a bit. Sorry guys if your like ears just eardrums just popped out like, oh Jesus Christ. That noise was just too loud. Too loud. It was just too loud. This is just kind of the same. I'm just scouting around for just stuff, really. Uh, I can't see. I can't see. Um, there we go. No, I can see. There. Yeah. I'm just gonna scout around for like stuff and yeah. Go down. What's this? 50 cal? Sure or not. Nothing. Come on. Should be something. Ah, no bullets today. Is there like a weapon there? No. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's a handgun. Let's just equip that. Safety reasons. Never know. Maybe you need it. What? Hey, look, they're still here. Whoosha! Whoosha! Wait, what? Whoosha! Whoosha! Ooh, the blood. Dude, the blood is real. Wait, why does this have no bullets? I think this, I don't know. Why does this have no bullets? Come on. I was getting my hopes up. Look at that zombie. Hi, zombie. Hi, mate. Bye. I'll just leave you there. Where have I not been? I think I pretty much looted this thing. Yeah, pretty much looted it. Wait, what if I go here? What do I see? Whoops. Can't run. Nothing. What's that? What's this first? Okay, canned beans. Very nice. I'll just go this way. What's the use? Run! Oh wait, I haven't been in the church. I knew it. Ooh, that is really painful. It's a flashlight. I see my flashlight coming down. Wait, what? Isn't that how now? No, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. Sorry about that. Like, weirdos at the background. pretty much we're going in the farm. Yeah, this is the same map. Does the map change? I don't know. I think it does. I don't know. How should I know? I'm no gameologist. Gameologist, is that a word? I don't know. Zombie, zombie! Come here, little bastard. Get wrecked. Motherfucker. Get wrecked. Hi, mate. Hurry, not dead. There we go. He just went flying. What's this? Whoa! SMG! Whoa, a machete? Ooh, look. Fire axe. What's this? Oh yeah, it's a flashlight. Whoa! Dude! I'm like, what? Whoa! Cool. Another fire axe. Okay, I'll take it. What's this? Canned sardines. Oh, let me out. Oh, I thought it was exploding like, oh no. What if I, okay, I knew it. Any shotgun? Nope. I know there's always loot up here. So that's why I'm going up here. Wait, what? There was always loot when I'm here. Well, I guess not today. No zombies at the back. How about here? Anything, at least? Anything? Ooh, what's it? It's a shotgun! No way. Guys, do you remember the episode that I did on the shotgun? If you remember, you know what's gonna happen. Heh heh heh. Ragdoll time, bitch. What's this? Move. What's another banana? Oh, I went through it. Nice. Do I have antibiotics just in case? No. Very good. Whoa, I can't believe it. But I do, because I have it. Dabba-dabba-da. It's a motherfucking dibba-dabba-G. I hear you, zombie. Ooh, just get smacked in the face. In the face. In the face. So, I have 30 ammo on that, and ooh, 18? Sure. Wait, what's that? Do you see that? What the hell is that? What in the world? Oh, it's just zombies. I thought it was a cow. Don't know why and how it would be a cow, but yeah. I thought it would just be a cow. Ragdoll time, guys. Dun, dun, dun. I just wasted 1 bullet and 2 zombies. Sure. It's called not wasting bullets. I hear a lot of zombies. I'm pretty sure that's inside the airport, I guess. Hi, mate. Oh, hi. Oh, face. Ah. Bye. And like, he just went flying, like, ah. Hi. Bye. Oh, no, what? I gotta change this. Sledgehammer. I know it's only a hammer, but I like sledgehammer to name it. There we go. I like that shotgun. It's the best. Come here. Oh, get smacked. Get smacked. Get smacked. Get smacked, mother truckers. Better get ready or else you're gonna get smacked. Ow. Why are you not dead? There we go. And yeah, I've not been finding too much bandages, and that's scaring me. That means this game doesn't want me to survive. I hear zombies, so I'm pretty sure that's on the top, I guess. Be ready with your weapon. But hit there, yeah. Boom, get wrecked. Don't mess with me. It's a grenade. Dun, 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 dun. It's another grenade. Can't believe it. It's another nade and another fire axe. What was that? Shut up. Hey, look, it's lands, guys. Guys, it's lands. Oh my god. I am making a video. So, shut the hell up.